Okay, I've got a Xbox One that has a broken. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, that has a broken HDMI, and let me move this. Today I'm going to show you how I repair the HDMI on Xbox. I've never opened this before, so it's going to be a bit challenging for me. So first thing is to take this off, because there's a lock there. Yeah, so once this is out, there's a lock here, it needs to be popped out. So once that is out, I can pry this open, either this side or that side, doesn't matter much. This has to be open though, so I don't know if I can pull this out. This is quite stuck there, man. There are loads of clips here that have to be removed. So yeah, it's kinda tricky to remove this bit. Some of the clips, they just came off, not all of them. Oh man. Okay, now it is out. Oops. Turn to the other side. So what comes off? Is it the whole thing or just this one that is going to come off? So I reckon it's just this one that's supposed to come out. So let's see if it's got any clips here. Okay, so it comes from the bottom. So yeah, there's a flex that's holding it. Let's just pull it out. So the back is out. So yeah, I need bigger than this one. This should work fine. And remove all of these and put it aside. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay. Hello. You okay? Let's take this off. Half an hour is just gone talking to people. Okay, do I have to remove the motherboard? Yeah. The heatsink, I don't want to remove the heatsink. Is there a way I can do it without removing the heatsink? No. And I'll have to remove the heatsink. Bloody hell. And it's got a big ground. It's gonna take a huge amount of heat to remove that. Let's see if this comes off as well. Okay, this comes off. the graphics card, and these, I think these are RAM or something, memory. Yeah, I'll have to remove the CPU fan. There is no other way to remove it without removing it. Do I have to remove this? Yeah, I have to remove this as well. Why are there so many screws? And this is out as well. Now the final thing is this heatsink. I didn't want to remove it, but there's no choice. I have to remove it. So we'll remove it. Okay, here's a clip that's holding it. So that, yeah, let's leave that for a while. Let's leave it like that. There's one more thing here. Let's remove this as well. So many things. Okay, how do I remove the motherboard out? Okay, so this and this, and it should come off. Okay, yeah, it is out. So yeah, I'll be placing this on it. It might be a bit of a challenge, but we'll see. Let's try. We'll see. Let's put this on the side as well. So this is what I will be removing on this. Looks quite difficult. But let's see. Let's try it. Let's see if I can do it. Turn on the solder. So we're gonna reflow it first and then remove it, because this is gonna require a huge amount of heat. Let's see if I can do it from the back. This is what I will be removing. This does not look like I'm gonna have to apply too much heat to this. So yeah, this doesn't look like I'm gonna have to apply too much heat to this. So might not be that difficult. If I can't remove it, I'll have to cut this open and remove it one by one. There is another chance, yeah. So let's start with this. Start removing this. So I'm gonna turn my heat gun on. So yeah, this is alright. Let's see how much heat this is gonna take. No, this was easy. So this is a lot easier than the PS4. Just came off easily and quickly. So let's quickly clean this up and I can put a new one on it. Now let me just resolder all of these. So what I'm gonna do is, bastards, they send me a wrong one. I'm gonna remove this and put it in place of the actual HDMI. So these look similar, so I think this is gonna fit in. Let's see if it's not broken. Yeah. And now I can put this back again later on. So yeah, let's just put this on. Bastards. It's wasted my time. Is it glued somewhere? Okay, it's out. Let's just clean that and leave it for now. We'll have to do it later on. So once that is done, I will have to clean this up and put this back into that. This looks okay, and the other one was quite bad. So yeah, let's just clean this up. So what I'm gonna do to this is, I'm just gonna solder it and heat it up and do it from the top. It might be easy that way. Let's do it. दादाजी होइन हजुर Okay, this looks okay now. Okay, this is done. Let's make it a bit stronger. Put some more solder to it. This looks already strong, but yeah, let's do some stuff on it. Let's add some more flux to it. So yeah. Okay, let me turn it upside down and see if anything is flowing underneath or not. Yeah, fuck, it's hot. So yeah, this looks okay. Right, let's just do this one. So yeah, let's do it this way. Oh fuck, man. Let's start to solder the pins. Let's add some flux to it. Clean the solder and this on top. It looks so dirty, man. Yeah, why is it so difficult? I just based it. It's okay for now. Go ahead and do the other ones. Yeah, another base. Oh, let's just use my bigger one. Just wasting time. Let's start by cleaning the bit. It's not touching it. Now this one I'm gonna have to use my tweezers. It's so small. Let's add some flux. Some more flux. Okay, it's better now. Let's clean it up. This looks clean enough, so it should do it. Just do this and remove if there's anything. So all is well. Let me clear this drawer. This one that I removed the HDMI from. Let's just slowly clean it up. Doesn't want to clean, doesn't want to get cleaned. Get out. Yeah, this is enough. So yeah, this has all been changed. Now I'm gonna go to my other camera. Let's turn this off. Hopefully this is gonna work. Well, I don't have a HDMI to test it, so hopefully it should work. I don't know. I don't have anything to try it on. Maybe I'll try it on my own monitor. So finally, this goes in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell him about this HDMI. It was just the input. So if he's not gonna use it, it's useless. So I'll just ask him if he wants me to put another one. I can do it. I need a few days of time. Then I can do it, as I don't have it with me. So these clips, they are going here. Where is it? Is it here? Yeah. One goes there. Other one goes there. One of them goes, where's the white one? Yeah. One of them goes to, where is it? This way, this way. Yeah. So this goes over here. Let me screw it back. So this one will have, because it's plastic in there, so it will not have the blunt tip screw. And this will have big threads as well. So that goes in there. So what are the other things? Let's put the screws back in. And this is just big one, small one, sorry. Yeah, this I had to remove one of the HDMI, the output HDMI from it, and put it onto the other one, because those bastards, they send me a wrong one which doesn't fit on it. So I'll have to speak to my customer to, if he needs it, I'm gonna put it back again. I'm gonna put a new one on it. It's gonna take me a few days to order it. I'll be ordering it now, and once it comes back with that problem again, I'm gonna put on both the ports. I'm gonna put the HDMI on both the ports. Why does this seem so different? Is it long? I think it's okay. So yeah, if we can find the physical damage, then it's so quick to do these kind of things. But if we can't find a physical damage, and it's a bit difficult and time consuming, and you need all those diagrams and everything. So then it's gonna be a headache. But if you know what is damaged on it, you can just swipe it up, put a new one on it, and it should work fine. In this case, I had to use the old one from the other port. I don't know if this is going to work. It's all connected properly, but I can't guarantee it, you know. So this seems okay. I'm going to put everything back in, powered up, and use my own desktop monitor to see if it's working or not. Where is this going to? Phew, man. It goes here. This one had a black, no, white. Was it white? No, it was black. Black. Screws. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. I feel so dirty. Okay, once this is put on, let me put the hard disk back in. CD-ROM goes in there. Hard disk is, where is it? So yeah, is it here? Yeah. Now it's just placing it where it came off from. So now it's going to be quite easy. I'm just going to put this back. It's so easy when the plug is removed. I had no idea that it was so easy to do this when it was removed. Okay, it's connected this way. It looks so dirty, man. Voila. That's all there was to it. Just wasted my time. And forget the lock. I'll not be putting the screws back in, because I think the company has sent extra screws. Okay. Well, let's do a quick test on it. See if it displays anything at all. And I don't have this either. So yeah, this is all done. Hopefully it's working. It's gonna try it and give me the feedback. I don't have the power cable to connect it. If I had the power, I could just test it and see if there's anything on it. So this is all done. Change the hdmi on this Xbox One with the other one that it had. So yeah, that's all. Hopefully this video might help somebody. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for your time. And do comment so that I can improve these kind of videos. And because we're learning every day, and I'm still learning how to make videos and all. So yeah, thank you very much and have a good day. Thank you.